a shout out to Tommy Shoe. Said you were interested in clamps, whatnot. Guy here at work's got these that he wants to get rid of. Pinch weld clamp, hole clamp. I guess these deals here, you can put them on the edge of the panel and push with them and stretch stuff out or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, he doesn't know what he wants for them. I guess any reasonable offer, and then you pay shipping. If you're interested, let me know. Try to get them to you. Thank you. I thought I better get a shot of the teeth if I can. See the condition of them, as I didn't even know. I think this big clamp is a W-Mo clamp. There was one on Auto Body Tool Mart for $183 or something. Of course, that's brand new. So if you're not comfortable throwing out an offer, I'll tell him he just got to put a price on them if you're interested. So let me know if you're interested, and I'll find out what he wants to do.